What is the definition of cholecystitis? Cholecystitis is inflammation of the gallbladder. What is Murphy's sign? The Murphy's sign is pain in the right upper quadrant during inspiration, while palpating under the right costal margin. What is acalculous cholecystitis? Acalculous cholecystitis is associated with acute cholecystitis without evidence of stones, believed to be secondary to sludge in the gallbladder. What is the most common cause of acute cholecystitis? Cholecystitis is most commonly due to cystic duct obstruction secondary to an impacted gallstone. What is the definition of choledocholithiasis? Choledocholithiasis is defined as the presence of gallstones in the common bile duct. What is the most common type of gallstones? Cholesterol stones account for 75% of stones and are secondary to bile that is supersaturated with cholesterol. What is a gallstone ilius? A gallstone ilius is a small bowel obstruction that occurs when a large gallstone erodes through the gallbladder and into the duodenum or small bowel. FlashMed, video flashcards.